Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Before we start, can I ask you just to hit the subscribe button below? Take you 1 second. Okay, thank you very much. Right, okay, today we're going to create a string here. So this is my string and we're going to assign it just a word like hello. There we go. So we've done that. We've created a variable my string and the string is hello. So we're going to create a conditional here, if, and I'm going to say if my string here index position 0 is equal to h, which we know it is. So in my string, this is index position 0, this is index position 1, index position 2, etc. So we're saying if my string index position 0 is equal to h, do something. So we're going to print out a message for the user, and that's going to say position 0 equal to h. Okay, now we're going to do another conditional. So if my string index position 1 here is equal to e, we're going to do something. We're going to print the user a message. Okay, so position, let's have a look, 1 is equal to, let's say, e. So position 1 is equal to e. Okay, and the last conditional we're going to do here, the same one again. If my string index position 2 is equal to L, then oops, sorry, then I'm not in Perl. Oh, I'm not in Perl. Okay, this is Python. Okay, then we're going to do something. Print position. Okay, so position 2 is equal to L. Okay, and we're just going to do a catch-all else here. So if anything else happens, this is our catch-all, and we will print out a message to the user. And I'm just going to simply type error. Okay. Right, now all we're going to do is save that, and then we are going to run the program. So click run module, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So let's have a look at this. Position 0 is equal to h. Yeah, position 0 is definitely equal to h. Okay, so there you go, and thank you very much. I hope you liked that video, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.